Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video on this giant box sitting behind me. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So we're going to go over a quick guess what's in the box video on this large box. I had already opened it. I actually put some clear tape on it to keep it closed so it wouldn't pop open. The box is kind of weak. I had to open it to inspect it to make sure that the FedEx driver could leave. This box is actually bulging on both sides. It's kind of hard to see, especially on camera. This side you could probably see it's bulging about 4 inches on this side and about 5 or 6 inches on this side. It's definitely rounded. So, move this stuff over. See if I can put the camera right here. Actually, you know what? What about putting the camera right here? There. Put the camera there. We'll measure it real quick. And then we'll do the next video, just take it out. I'll take one of the items out. I'm not going to take both of them out. They're both the same thing. This box is 8 3/4 inch wide, and it's actually at the widest point because it's bulging. It's actually 14 inches where it's bulging, and the box is actually only 8 3/4 inch wide, so it's bulging about 6.5 inches wider than it should be. It is 50 inches wide, or 4 feet 2 inches, and it is exactly 3 feet tall, or 36 inches tall. Those are the measurements. What do you guys think is in this box? I can tell you, to give you guys a couple hints, it is an item for a couple replacement items for the SR5 that got wrecked. What parts do you think it is? Since I already gave you a hint that it is a part. And I do appreciate your guys' time. I still got to clean this mess up right here. I got to clean up and put all those canned goods in the cabinet. I got some bottles over here that I decided to keep to use for brake fluid and stuff like that. I need to put those in the shed. And got the soda and stuff over here. Soda and water and stuff like that. I did get the Milwaukee quick lock cleaned up after doing the backyard, but you know, I got a little bit of cleaning to do, and yes, I'm wearing slippers. I only plan on doing videos today. I got another item right there that showed up that we got to do a video on as well. But that's all I got for you guys. Today, what do you guys think is in the box? I did give you guys a couple hints to what it's for. It is for the 2004 SR5 that was wrecked. And it still drives, runs, just can't drive it without a steering knuckle. So this is definitely not a steering knuckle. But appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links. my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'm not associated with carparts.com, but I have bought from them several times before. They give you guys, insurance on the items that you bought. If they show up broken or damaged, they will replace them. I actually bought a set of mirrors, tow mirrors, heated tow mirrors for the 2005 Ford Excursion, and they ended up having to send me 6 different sets before I got a set that wasn't messed up. But it was free of charge to me, and they never asked. They actually told me to keep them. You know, they were like, well, we can't sell them if they're broken. They were damaged during transit. There's nothing we could do about it. Just keep them. So now I have parts out of all of these mirrors that I can use on the Excursion if I take those mirrors apart. Everything I've gotten from them has been factory. When it comes to anything that takes a plug, previous video showed you guys I got headlights, fog lights, turn signals, bumper brackets, bumper valances, and a few others, including the grill. So, you know, give them a try if you're looking for parts for an older vehicle. They may not be, you know, Toyota brand or Ford brand or Chevy brand, but they will do the job. They are correct. If you got a fog light assembly, it will plug and play directly in. You don't have to wire anything, so it's nice. So I'm not associated with them. I buy from them. They have been pretty good to me over the last several years. So, you know, give them a try if you're looking for some parts. Appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!